Uba Prestone tan song sembut mitrang ba kan jala Meghalaya bat National Vice President kan National People Party NPP ulapun pau ba Kheiñ Khanarit yo National Secretary ko All India Trinamool Congress AITC u Abhishek Banerjee. Na ka jingkran jong Abhishek ka pen i bo dang khana palat hak saiñpyrthei laong ba Prestone. Kani ka juba ba Prestone ko long halo ka chingsha kan tho mitrang ba kan jala Meghalaya konrat ke sangma kum ukon man lani ubriu bothok da ka jipin bi ki briu ha Abhishek Banerjee. Uba Prestone laong ba Abhishek udon kam ka ji kai ban nang ban kren haba u le jinglen.
Seeing the statement made by the General Secretary in charge, so-called General Secretary in charge of AITC, Mr. Banerjee, I think this must be the first visit ever he made in Meghalaya. And seeing the statement made by him, I don't want to say anything much, but I could see his immaturity in politics. And being the General Secretary in charge of AITMC, in the whole country, just making allocation to any peasant, I think we need to think 100 times. Forget about the statement he made or the allocation he made yesterday to the head of the state. It is very unfortunate when such statement made by the so-called General Secretary to the Honorable Chief Minister. I think he need further training how to go forward saving the people of India from now on. And this training, I think he needs to come again to Shillong, and we will provide that skill training to him so that he understand how to use the languages wherever he go throughout India.
This MDA government in 2023.
That's why I said he is too immature because of few reasons. One reason is just making allegation without any substantial evidence. I think that is childish. And being a tallest leader of the TMC in India, you are here in Meghalaya not even 24 hours. You pretend as if you know everything. And where is that proximity of NPP and BJP? That also I get confused, I don't know. Because NPP-led government, we started serving the people of the state right from 2018 till this moment. People of Meghalaya has seen it, how the MDA government under the leadership of Conrad Sangma, we perform. So that's why I said, let me again reiterate that the statement made by Mr. Banerjee is childish and also unfortunate at his station.
Halo ka jingkano Abhishek bak sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka lachu IT pendam ki chaka khaput chaka jala Assam lengba ka memorandum of understanding MOU penbepot uba postul laong ba Abhishek TBA yakamat ikran khaput hapaneng ka jala Meghalaya bat Assam.
Again, he don't know anything about the boundary issue of Meghalaya and Assam. He has joined politics yesterday. And this problem has already started 50 years back. So I don't want to clarify anything. I don't want to waste my time. I think we, being born and brought up here in Meghalaya, we understand and we know better than anybody else. And I just wanted to ask from him, how did he know about the boundary issue of Meghalaya and Assam. Is it only seeing in the newspaper? Is it only from hearing from somebody who explained to him, who informed him, maybe unofficially? So therefore, his statement, as I said to you, it's too immeasured. I would request, therefore, people of Meghalaya should judge, should assess such a person in the stature of General Secretary of AITMC. The way he talked, the way he given the statement is totally childish. When you come to Meghalaya, you need to really know the real issues in Meghalaya. Please don't talk issues which is outside Meghalaya. And then when we did the MOU between the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya, you knew well we have spent so much time, and we have sat not less than 11-12 times meeting both the state government. We have done a detailed study, we have done a detailed homework, leading ultimately to signing of MOU. So therefore, the statement of Mr. Banerjee is totally childish and totally wrong.